Hi everyone. Today I'm very excited to announce a brand new feature that is coming to MxChat in 3.09. We will now support content generation both for blog posts and landing pages directly within the plugin. There will also be a pro add-on extension to this, which will enhance some of the functionality even further. To give a quick overview, once you update to 3.09, you'll see a new tab over here on the left that will say content. There, in the sidebar, you'll have three different navigation tabs: generate, history, and settings. For generate, you can select either a blog post or a landing page. You can choose the status. You can schedule it or publish it right away, which can be changed afterwards as well. You can also change your layout to your theme default or full width. And then post title, you can show or hide that. For history, it just shows, obviously, some of the generated landing pages or blog posts that you have completed. And you can either view, edit, or delete them here. And we'll cover that in more detail. And then settings, you can select from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or XAI for your content generation. And then for your image models, you can select from the newest OpenAI models, the newest XAI, and then the newest Gemini models. So with that, you can also enable or disable the image generation when you're creating pages. Some of the pro features are these two options here. So internal linking for blog post, it will automatically create internal links by scanning your blog post and finding relevant content. And then tool use for AI editing, I'll cover that further as well once we do an example. But both of these are pro features here, along with some others that we'll uncover as we do a test example. So the first example I'm going to do here is for a landing page. I'm going to keep it full width. I already have a prompt here for a page that I actually need for MxChat, which is related to the Perplexity add-on that we have. So the page that I'm going to generate here in this demo will be the page that I use going forward. This does take a little while to generate, so I'm going to fast forward this part. All right, perfect. So as you can see, that did take several minutes. It took about 3 to 4 minutes to generate this entire landing page. So be patient. It will depend on the number of images that you have, which models that you're using, and how long the page is. But as you can see, once you have your page generated, it'll show you a preview directly in the editor of what your page will look like. And then from here, you can also view it directly on your website. We'll look at that in a second. And you can even check how it looks on mobile. All the designs will come out to be automatically mobile responsive and look great. And you can see this is what it looks like on the website here outside of the preview. So to cover some more of the pro features here, previously we talked about the tool calling setting. So tool use for AI editing. You can edit any of the generated posts that you have made. If you have the MxChat Pro license and the Advanced Editor installed, you can enable tool use, which will be much quicker and more precise and a much better result overall. If you edit a page or a blog post without using tool use, it has to rewrite the entire page every single time. So tool use is great for token efficiency. It'll cost you much less money in the long run, and speed. It's much more targeted, and that allows it to be much quicker. As you can see, a few other things here. Images. The really cool thing is that you can either regenerate your image if you don't like how it looks in the page, and it'll automatically replace and update it, or you can even upload an image from your library and it will replace the image directly in the page for you. So I'm just going to pick a random one here. Let's just try this. So you can see the image here. Perfect. And now you can do that for any image on the page. Also for some of the metadata, you can either edit the metadata manually here, or you can use AI by simply clicking the AI button and then adding what you would like to do. So you can say, and it will automatically update the meta information and save. Perfect. And then to show you how we can go and edit a page, so like this pill badge up here, I do not like. So I'm going to say in the hero section, please remove the pill badge that says. And since I have tool use enabled, it'll be able to precisely target just that section of code and remove it right away. Bam. And you can see it's gone. So now you can just use AI to iterate and edit your page until you have it ready. Once it's prepared and you're ready to launch, you can do this several different ways, but one quick way is to click the draft button up here if you had it generated as a draft, and then you can just go to publish or schedule, and you can actually even schedule out when you would like the post to be scheduled for. Just double checking. So once again, just to recap, you're able to edit your landing page or blog post using just simple, conversational chatbot style messages over here. You can regenerate your images without having to know how to code or to even copy and paste the files in there or upload them. You can use AI to edit your metadata or you can do it manually. So let's look at one other thing real fast here. Let's go back to history. So if you go to history, remember you can click on edit here. This allows you to go back and revisit published post or page. This is a blog post that I made previously. And you can see here, this is what it looks like. Now, once again, the great thing about this is it also supports internal linking. So if you have internal linking on, which I did not in this post, it will automatically scan and find relevant articles. So let's go ahead and try one of those here. So I'm going to change this to a blog post. I'm going to change this to theme default. I'm still going to hide that. And I'm going to say, make a blog post on how. Double check I have internal linking on. Great. All right, perfect. So now that it's finished, we can take a look at this. As you can see, it generated the feature image and then the entire blog post. And this was just a simple prompt that I gave it. You can see in this blog post, it also has the smart AI internal linking. And it's well placed all throughout the blog. And then you can take a look to see what this looks like on the website. Perfect. And then just like the landing page, you can still come over here and use AI to edit the metadata, to make adjustments, to do anything you need. So this is really a game changer. It's going to accelerate building out new landing pages for various different features that I have, for different add-ons that I create. For blogging, it'll help me accelerate and create very well designed blogs that are very readable and great for SEO. This is just phase one. I already have a phase two planned that will be coming within the next 2 weeks, which will take the content generation feature to an entirely new level. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Please, once again, let me know all of your feedback. Let me know if you have any issues, and I'm here to help. Thanks.